Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good to see you back. In this video, we'll see some of the issues that we are facing when we are trying to add the automated response with the analytics rule that we are creating. Besides that, at times we are getting an error message which says analytics rule partially saved. So we'll see that how we can fix those kind of issues in Microsoft Sentinel. To fix those issues, let's go to Microsoft Sentinel and I'll show you a couple of things. When we go to Microsoft Sentinel, click on Microsoft Sentinel. Let's hide this. Now let's go scroll all the way to bottom and click on Analytics. Click on the rule with which you wanted to add the automated response and click on Edit. Click on Automated Response. So here we can see that we don't have any automation rule configured. Actually, we have added the automation rule out here. We saved it, but we got an error which says analytics rule partially saved. Let me reproduce the error for you and then we'll see the resolution for the same. So let me add the rule here. Click on add new. I'll give the name. Under action, we'll select the run playbook. And then we need to select the playbook which we wanted to initiate when a new incident is created. So we'll select incident trigger, which means whenever a new incident is created, this playbook will be initiated and it will send an email to the group of users that you have configured in Logic app. So here, click on apply. So now here we can see that we have added one rule out here and it is showing as enable. But the problem is that the moment we are going to save this rule, it will show an error and it will say that the analytics rule is partially saved. So let's try and see that how it looks like. Let's click on review. Wait for the validation to be completed. Validation is passed successfully. Now click on save. So here we can see that analytics rule partially saved, right? Let's click on it. And here we can see that the analytics rule is partially saved. Now, if we go back to the same rule again, let's go to the rule. Let me close this one and click on add it again. Now, if we go to the automated response, we don't see a rule here, right? To fix this issue, let's open Azure portal in new tab and go to resource group. Select the resource group in which you have created the logic apps. So we have created everything in RG01. So let's select that. Let me hide this one. Click on access control. Click on add role assignment. Now we'll search for logic app contributor rule. Select that. Click on next. For the assign access to, select user groups or service principal. Click on select members. Here, search for the user with which you are trying to configure the rule. Let me select the user. Click on select. So now this is the user with which we are logged in and we are trying to configure the rule. So you need to select the user with which you are trying to configure the rule, right? So now let's click on next. Click on review and assign. Wait for the assignment to be completed. Okay, so assignment is added now. Now let's go back to the same analytics rule window. Out here, let's try to add the automated response once again. Click on add new. Define the name. Under action, select run playbook. Select the playbook. Click on apply. So now we can see that the same rule is added again and it is showing as enabled. Once done, click on Next Review. Wait for validation to be completed. So now we can see that the validation is passed again. Click on Save. And now let's wait and see if we are getting the same error message again or not. Now the analytics rule is saved successfully. Let's close this. Let's verify the rule once again. Click on Edit. Click on Automated Response. So now we can see that the automated response is added successfully to the analytics rule. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Bye, friends. Keep smiling and have fun.